Hi, I will try to explain the snow screen effect here. So I just downloaded our package here, the Mega Shaders or the snow package. And here we have to go to the project settings, so you can just go to the window panels and project settings here. So I have already opened it. So here you will go to the graphics section. Here you have to scroll down, and here, as you can see, here it is a compatibility mode, render graph disabled. So I have to enable this because our effects are using the old renderer feature as described in the explanation of the package. So we have to enable it. And here if we click to our render pipeline, it just navigates to our renderer here, render pipeline. So if I go to the inspector, I can see its properties here. As you can see, the depth texture and opaque texture are enabled. And if I go to the renderer list, here it uses our renderer data here. So we have to add our renderer features here. So this is our render pipeline asset, and it uses these renderer data for the renderer features and some other render path, etc. options. So I will just click the add renderer path here, and I will write snow. So here our snow screen. So I will just open it, and as you can see, there are some parameters we have to fill. I will just disable this check main cam. So it's actually checks for the main camera on the scene if you have more than one cameras. We have only one here, but I will uncheck it anyway to just not get in trouble. So here you can see we have two materials. So if you click this snow screen script here, it will just navigate to our script and material folder in the project window. So here we have to use snow screen material. Here we have to drag and drop this snow screen sample material to this slot, and for the alpha blend material we have to drag and drop this snow alpha sample material here. So here you can see this material is used for snow screen material, and this is used for alpha blend material. So our setup is completed here on the render feature. So I will just come back to my scene, and I will create an empty game object to hold our manager script. So I will name it as script holder, and I will just add our snow screen manager, as you can see here. So you can see there are a lot of parameters to play with the snow screen effect. So we have to just enable it first of all. And I will try to explain the other parameters. So let's run the game and let's see if our effect works. So as you can see, it draws snowflakes around the screen, and let's increase the intensity to see the flakes a little bit more clear. So as you can see, it just uses the depth. If it draws layers of snowflakes on the screen according to depth. So if the flakes are a little bit far away, and it besides an object, so as you can see, it just disappears, so will not be drawn. So it just creates a little bit more reality, real snowing in our screen. So this depth value here just changed our depth intensity. So if you increase it, as you can see, the more snowflakes will be visible in front of the objects. If you make it 0, it will only just draw for the skybox. Of course we don't want that, so I will just go back a little bit. Here layer start and layer end sections just draws the flakes according to the depth. So if you want more snowflakes, you can just increase the layer end, or if you need very few, you can just decrease the layer end property. Flickering just flickers the snowflakes if you want. This vertical speed is, as you can see, it just increases this vertical speed, and this horizontal speed changes the horizontal speed of the flakes, so it will just create some hurricane effect, etc. The color is the, of course, color of the flakes, and this downsample will be used to downsample the flakes. If you find the FX works slow on some old mobile phones, you can just increase the downsample and it will run faster. So these temp textures use another our extra paint pass features, so it will be not needed for most of the time, but if you are using that our extra pass, you have to enable it. But it will not work here because you have to add some additional passes to our renderer feature. So it's just another case, so we are not using this one. So hope this FX works well for you.